Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today let us find out this problem, and here we have to find out the value of x, that is root of a by b is equals to b by a to the power of 1 minus 3x. So root of a by b, I can write it as a by b to the power of 1 by 2. Okay, and then I can take the reciprocal of this. It will be a by b and 3x, it will become minus 1. This minus sign will, minus 3x will become plus 3x and plus 1 will become minus 1. Okay, then here see the bases are same, so I can take the powers and simplify. 1 by 2, and that is equals to 3x minus 1. Now take this 1 to this side. 1 minus by 2 plus 1, and that is equals to 3x. Now take the LCM of this. 2 here, 1 plus 2, and that is equals to 3x. 3 divided by 2, that is equals to 3x. I am going to take this 3 here, that is 3 by 2 divided by 3, that is equals to x. And next is, I can write it as x is equals to 3 by 2 into 1 by 3. Okay, 3 get cancelled, and the x value is x is equals to 1 by 2. So the value of x is 1 by 2. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.